Bonjour, language lovers. Welcome back to Learn French with Awolowo Hood. Today, we are going to look at a topic that is very important, which is the numbers. So, you are going to learn how to count from 1 to 1 billion. As a French learner, you should be able to count in French and you should be able to write French number in French. So, let's get started. C'est parti. The objective of this video is that by the end of this video, learners should be able to count from 1 to 1 billion. So if you have just subscribed to my YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube for more video like this. So firstly, we are going to learn how to count from 1 to 10. That is the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 1 to 10. Let's move on to 11. So here we are going to learn from 11 to 20. Onze is not onze. Onze, the E is silent. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the next page is numbers from 21 to 30. 20 is 20, and from 20 you'll be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, but for the first one, which is 21, you have to add a 21. So 21 is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 is 30. This page we have 31 to 40. 31, it's the same formula. The first one, you must put a between 30 and 1. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 is 40. 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. It's not sequent, it's 50. 50. 50 is 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Look at that 70. It's like they did an addition here. No, 60 is 60. This is 10. So 70 is like they did 60 plus 10. 70. Now, if you look at it very well from 20, you will be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But from 70, we are not going to use 1, 2, 3 again. You'll be using 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, because like they did addition here. So 71 is 71. Sorry, there is not a here. 71. That is 60 plus 11. That is 71. 72. 60 plus 12. 72. 73. 60 plus 13. 73. 74. 60 plus 14. 74. 75. 60 plus 15. 75. 76. 16 plus 60 plus 16. 76. 77. 60 plus 17. 77. 78. 60 plus 18. 78. 79. 60 plus 19. 99. And 80. 80 is like they did multiplication here. You have 4 times 20. That is 80. 80. So let me read it again. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now from 80, you'll be using 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 80. I just said the 80. Okay. So from 80, you'll be reading 1, 2, 3. So we have 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So 90 is 90. So from 90 to 100, you have 91. 80 plus 11, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 100 is 100. So from this one, we are going to be looking at 100, 200. So you have 100. 100 is 100. 200. You can see there's S in 100 because you have 200. 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1000. 1000 is 1000. 1000 is 1000. So 1 million is million. 1 billion is milliard. Mille, million, milliard. Mille, million, milliard. So you can see we have counted from 1 to 1 billion. Remember, 100 is 100, mille is 1000, million is 1 million, milliard is 1 billion. And you need, first of all, you need to know from 1 to 20, because there are some numbers that when you want to add to the main numbers, you'll be using 1, 2, 2, but there are some that you'll be using 12, 13, 14. Example, you have 70. From 70, 70, you'll be using 12, 71, 72. From 90 also, you'll be using 11, 71, 72, 73. But for others, you'll be adding 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you gotten what I'm trying to say. So let's test our knowledge. Are you ready to test our knowledge? So you have number 1 question, which is, what is the French word for 100? A. 100. B. 1000. C. Million. D. Milliard. So what is 100? The answer is 100. So 100 is 100. Question 2. What is the French word for 70? Remember 70. A. 70. B. 60. C. 70. D. 80. What is the answer? The answer is A. 70. 60 plus 10, 70. Question 3. What is the French word for 50? A. 50. B. 60. C. 40. D. 30. What is the answer? 50. 50 is 50. Sorry. Question 4. What is the French word for 200? Remember 200, there is S. Is it A. 200, B. 200, C. 2000, D. 2 million? So the answer is between A and B. So what is the answer? B. 200. Question 5. What is the French word for 80? Remember, the 80 they did a multiplication. So is it 80, 90, 70 or 70? What is the answer? The answer is A. 80. Question 6. What is the French word for 1000? A. 1000. B. Million. C. Milliard. D. 100. What is 1000? Sorry, what is 1000? So 1000 in French is 1000. Question 7. What is the French word for 22? A. 22. B. 21. C. 23. D. 24. What is the answer? So the answer is 22. Okay. Question 8. What is the French word for 45? A. 45. B. 44. C. 46. D. 47. The answer is 45. Question 9. What is the French word for 67? A. 67. B. 66. C. 68. D. 69. What is the answer? The answer is 67. The last question. What is the French word for 99? A. 99. B. 98. C. 97. D. 96. What is the answer? So the answer is A. 99. So what do you get? Can you write what you score in the comment section? So that's all for today. Et voila, we are at the end of our lesson for today. And don't stop here. Try to use numbers in your daily activity. Merci beaucoup for joining me today. Au revoir et à bientôt.